Hello everybody and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm going to be making for you cracker wrap bream, Jamaican style. Our ingredients for today are, we've got some thyme, fresh thyme, some fish seasoning, all-purpose seasoning, we've got some tomato ketchup, we've got onion, we've got some okras, we've got a green sweet pepper and a yellow sweet pepper, we've got some carrots, some spring onions, our bream, and some water crackers. So that's our ingredients for today. Right. So we're gonna start preparing and chopping up our veg and getting them ready. Right everybody, so what we're going to do now, we're just going to thinly slice up our veg. You don't want these carrots too thick. So that's our carrots. We've got our spring onions which we're going to slice. So that's our spring onions. We've got our white onion. So that's our white onion. Going to be using half of our yellow pepper. Just give this a rinse off. Just going to be thinly slicing that as well. Going to be using half of this green pepper. Let it rinse off as well. In our okras, we're just going to slice them into about 1/2 inch cubes. And that's all our veg prepared. On a tray, I've got our foil. I'm going to go over that with some butter or margarine. This just stops it from sticking. Right, so I'm going to get our crackers. Going to put a row of crackers there. So that's our row of crackers. Just going to move that out of the way. So with our Bream, we're going to add our seasoning, which is fresh thyme, some fish seasoning and all-purpose seasoning. So that's all our season added to the fish. So we've seasoned up our fish. So we're going to put our fish on top of our crackers and our thyme. Just spread that around a bit. Then we're going to put some of our bits inside it. And we're going to put the rest outside. Then we got our ketchup. We're just going to put this on, spoon this over. If you don't want to put ketchup, you don't have to, but I like it with ketchup on it. So we've got everything in. So we're just going to wrap this just by bringing the two sides together. So that's all ready now, and we're just going to put this in our oven for about 30 to 45 minutes and see how it goes. So we'll see you when we get back. Right everybody, our fish has been in the oven for 45 minutes. Just going to open it and show you what it looks like. So that is our bream. You can see it's nicely done. So thanks for watching our video, and we'll see you on the next one.